Priya. I completed my PG MSc Mathematics in Ramanjam Institute for Advanced Study in Mathematics in 2023 with 68%. After completing my PG, I joined QSpiders Vadapalani. So in that I have completed SQL, Java, manual testing, automation, Selenium with Java. So I completed all my courses. So now I joined a Beta Moms company. The package for 6 months it is 8K, after that it will be of 15K. So in QSpiders I gained more technical knowledge. As a non-IT student, I didn't know about any programming language. So after joined here, I completed and I get to know all the technical course. So that is the gateway to crack my interview, and I'll do more presentation in it. So that's it about me.